y'all, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making chicken Alfredo dip with lasagna chips. Enjoy the video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need rotisserie chicken, parsley, garlic, lasagna noodles, Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, cream cheese, butter, heavy whipping cream, salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and red pepper flakes. Begin by removing the skin and shredding the rotisserie chicken. Shred mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. Chop up some parsley. Mince 5 cloves of garlic. Boil lasagna noodles according to the directions on your package. Cut the lasagna noodles into squares and then diagonally to make triangles. Fry the lasagna noodles for about a minute or until golden brown. Season the lasagna chips with salt, garlic powder, and grated Parmesan cheese. Toss until evenly coated. Next, we're going to make the Alfredo sauce. Store-bought Alfredo could also be used for this recipe. In a pan, melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Add minced garlic. Bring to a simmer. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and crushed red pepper flakes. Turn off the heat and add 2 cups of Parmesan cheese. Once the cheese has melted, place to the side and allow to cool. In a bowl, add shredded chicken, 8-ounce block of cream cheese, Alfredo sauce, half cup of mozzarella cheese, half cup of Parmesan cheese, and parsley. Mix until well combined. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, and red pepper flakes. Add the chicken Alfredo dip to an oven-safe dish, preferably a cast iron dish. Top with mozzarella cheese, Parmesan cheese, and parsley. Bake at 400 degrees for 15 minutes. And there you have it, chicken Alfredo dip with lasagna chips. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.